Welcome back. Today we are going to be diving into our contact dashboard section. So if you're ready, go ahead and pull up those dashboards and let's dive in. The Top Referrers Lifetime Value Dashboard is designed to help you understand who your best friends of business are so that you can start to celebrate and build that relationship with them. On the left-hand side, you're going to notice things like top referrers, referrals that they've given you, as well as that lifetime value that's associated with each of these contacts for their efforts. On the right-hand side, you're going to see a list of all of those referred contacts that any of them has given you so that you have a better understanding of which of those leads are being referred by whom so that you can really capitalize on this opportunity to reference the person who referred them. You're also going to notice on the top right-hand side, you can select a date range if you would like to filter and sort down by any given date period to ensure that you're better understanding how all of these relationships are helping you build those relationships, capitalize on all of those lifetime values, and really celebrate the people who are bringing in the most business for you. Thanks again for tuning in to today's training. We hope you had a really great lesson. And if you have any questions at all, feel free and reach out. help@workflowsecrets.info, and our team would be more than happy to help get you squared away. Otherwise, you've got some more lessons to cover, so go ahead and scroll on down and get those started. But we'll see you there.